What is meditation? Meditation is an exercise which teaches us to have non-judgmental awareness over our thoughts. It teaches us to allow thoughts to come and go, to observe the thoughts and let them gently pass. Meditation isn't a way to control or stop having thoughts, it is a way to stop them controlling us, and to release the power that they have over our mind. The Buddha once said, "If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. You are at peace when living in the moment." Meditation is a method which teaches you to bring your attention back to your breath. Anxiety often arises when we are trying to predict the future. Our fear of uncertainty causes us to worry and stress. People can get depressed when thinking about the past, perhaps about a memory that has caused them pain. This causes those same negative emotions and feelings to repeat in their mind. Meditation is also a great tool to help manage stress. Every thought we have has the potential to cause us stress, so greater thought management means greater stress management. And a less stressful you means a happier you. So next time you're feeling a bit stressed or upset, find a nice quiet place, sit down, take a deep breath, and meditate.